Hi guys, today we talk about ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9S Pro. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Red Magic 9S Pro: height 6.4 inch, width 3 inch, thickness is 8.9 mm and the weight is 229 gram. And the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1116 by 2480 pixels and the PPA density is 400. The refresh rate of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with 120Hz refresh rate with 1600 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection of Red Magic 9S Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The platform of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.4 GHz and the GPU is Adreno 750 with 1 GHz. The memory of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro depth sensor. And the selfie camera is 16 megapixel under display. The main camera record 8K 30fps video and the selfie camera is record 1080p with 30fps video. The battery backup of Red Magic 9S Pro: it's come with 6500 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging. It cannot support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, built-in cooling fan, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, stereo speakers with 3.5 mm jack and RGB light system and pressure sensitive zone means triggers. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9S Pro price is $749.